Alright, so welcome to this training, and I would like to show you today in this video a very short, quick, yet complete and comprehensive guide how you can use this POS system and online store platform. So common problems that everyone is experiencing when you, for example, when you purchase a thing, or meron kang binili something in the internet, or meron kang binili in the mall, and you read the manual. Common problem that you may encounter is that it overemphasize the theory, right? So, meron kang mga problem, or meron siyang ipapakita ng mga theory pa, ng kung mga ano-anong idea, mga metaphor, no? Just to overemphasize a very point. Hindi siya direct to the point. That's why this video are going to be direct to the point, or to training you how you can use the system. Number two is long hour tutorial. So some of the tutorials that you may see in the YouTube, they tend to make it longer because, of course, for exposure, no, and for giving value, kuno, just to prove to them that it is valuable that you have purchased their product because they have given you a tons of tutorials. But in the end, tutorials or guides inside that product tend to make it longer for marketing. All right, and then time constraint, of course, because of the overemphasis and long hour of tutorials, there will be a time constraint. Masyadong mahaba yung tutorial. Now, in this video, I'm going to solve all of that, because if I'm not going to solve all of those problems, medyo magiging boring yung panonood mo ng video. So, 3 ways to start quickly. Number 1 is you can instantly upload the products na meron ka dyan sa tindahan mo. Mamaya ipapakita ko. Number 2 is kung hindi mo ma-upload siya kasi wala siya sa database, then you may also manually upload it, at napakadali lang na mag-upload ng mga products dito sa system na to. Number 3 is that if hindi mo manual, gusto mong kapangkalahatan, meron naman tayong import-export ng mga products using an Excel files. And mamaya din, ipapakita ko siya sa iyo kung paano. So now, after registering and purchasing this system, you probably must be in this page now. Okay, so makikita mo siguro dito yung pangalan ng store mo. And maybe you could also see here go to guide, so where you can follow the instructions, all the instructions. If you want really na yung buong tutorial talaga, you can click this one. And if this join our group chat, you can click also this one para maka-join ka sa mga group chat kung saan mo na purchase itong sa system na to. All right? So by the way, before we proceed, I would like to emphasize this to you, that this tutorials that I'm going to give you is basically can be applied even if you are just in a basic, or in a basic account, or if you are in a dedicated account. All right? So what's the difference between basic account and dedicated account? So basic account is basically shared domain name. So you have a shared a domain name, but it is basically shared to all who uses or who has a basic account. To give you an illustration with this, so as you can see here, this is a shared domain name or shared domain account. So as you can see here, if you notice at the topmost, or in your browser, and you would go to your address bar, you would find store. The first line there is store, and then the domain name of the owner of the POS system or the online store platform that you have availed to. Then .com, then there's a / your name store. Shared domain name. However, if you have a dedicated or own domain name, there will be no store as a subdomain. It is now the complete name, or the domain name of your own choice. So for example, if in my case, I have Francis Sari Sari store, online Sari Sari store, so I could have a francisstore.com. So that's the own domain name, or you have a dedicated domain name. So that's the difference between basic and dedicated. The number 2 basic account is shared server. Of course, you have this hosting account. That hosting or that server is where your files, all of the thing that inside your account or your website is being put there. So it is shared. So basically, at the last part is there is a high risk of overload because it is being shared. All who uses basic account has a server that is being shared to all of the people that has a basic account. So there is a high risk of overload, then slow surfing, especially if all of the end users of the user or the client ay magla-login, mag-order, etc. You would experience slow surfing. So high risk or overload of the server. Now, because it is limited server, we will also limit on how you can display the product. So makikita mo yan doon sa yung account that limitation of 20 or 50 items per product for the products, sales, and inventory. Alright? However, with dedicated account, you have your own domain name, just like I told you a while ago. So you have this domain name. So domain name of your choice as long as it is available. And then separate dedicated server. So your server is that the server that you are that where your website is residing is that you alone are the one who is using that one. So there would be it would be fast, the surfing of the users or the experience of the user will be fast, reliable. So it, for example, in a basic account, for example, the server would be gone, your website also will be gone. For example, since your domain name are being shared with the basic account, if this domain name will be so we say will be terminated by the government or whatsoever, then your website also will be terminated. However, if you are in a dedicated account, there is a low risk of account loss because you have your own domain name and you have your own server. So you alone are the one can control your website. Then it is reliable. Unlimited display on product sales, inventory, etc. Okay, so let us start now on doing the instant upload. Paano ba natin i-upload the products that I have here? So I have here these different products as you can see here at the right side. I have here Coffee Mate, Well Absolute, and then this hand soup, and then this Bear Brand Choco. So I'm going to show you how you can upload this one on the system or in our website. So as you can see at the left side, this is where website. So all you're gonna need to do is let me take you here muna and go to the admin. Going to admin is basically by just pressing your name here at the upper right side of your website. So clicking that one, you will be instantly redirected to your admin account. And in your admin account, go to plus product. This is where you add your product. All right. So instant upload is just by doing this upload by barcode here. So auto adding of the products that has a barcode. Now, what if I don't have a barcode in my product? So you cannot do this instant upload because it needs a barcode and it must have a common barcode all over the Philippines, all over the country that you are in now. So clicking this upload by barcode. And then let's go over here. So as you can see here, I have here Bear Brand Choco. So if I'm going to and look at the left side, if I'm going to scan the barcode of it, all right, there you have it. Oh, let's refresh this thing muna here, and then upload by barcode. If it doesn't detect, then you can refresh the system. All right, there you have it. So you can see now different kinds of Bear Brand or Choco that you can. So you can opt or choose any of this one, whatever is close to you. In fact, don't worry about the price because you can edit the price later on. So for example, I'm going to choose the second one. So automatically I have this Bear Brand Choco. I have here the name, all be copied, the supplier price, the retailer price, the markup, so on and so forth. However, of course the barcode, and if I'm going to save this one, okay, it won't save because there is a lacking category, right? So adding a category, you don't need to go to the category section of your admin account. By just going right over here in your product, makakapag-add ka na ng category by pressing this plus add category. Alright? Bear Brand Choco is basically shall we say chocolate drinks, or shall we say beverage. For example, that's your category for your Bear Brand or Choco. Add that one. And then if you hover this category here, there you have it, the beverages. So click that one and then save this item. All right, there you have it. You have already successfully uploaded this Bear Brand Choco instantly. You don't need to upload the images. You don't need to put the price, the name. All right, so let's proceed with the other item. So as you can see here, I have here Nescafe Coffee Mate. So I'm going to scan. Let's go first to the plus product here. Right, don't forget that one, and then upload by barcode. And then here, this is the barcode. So I'm going to scan it. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded or given different kinds of. So since this is 5 grams 48 sheets, so sachet, I'm going to choose this one. And then there you have it. I have the name or the name of the product, the prices, markup, so on and so forth. However, the category is not included. So you'll be the one to put category with it. So I'm going to choose beverages for say because this is also a drinks. So and then I could save it. There you have it. You have already a coffee mate. All right? Do this one because this is not yet inside the system. So product and then plus product and then upload by barcode. If I'm going to scan this one, right? There you have it. It says here no item found. Oh, it can't be seen there. As you can see here, no item found for that particular product, right? So I'm going to upload it manually. So just go over here, adding manually the product. So all you're gonna need to do is to find the image of the product. So go to Google. So I just type antibacterial hand soap cranberry since this is a hand soap, antibacterial hand soap, cranberry flavor. I have this one. This is more appropriate. Okay, so I could download that one, save image, right? So in the make sure that you know where the image was downloaded. So in my case, I downloaded it in my download folder, and then going back here, so I can now add manually the items. Okay, the image. There you have it. All right, then I could put this one antibacterial hand soap here in the product name. Okay, so antibacterial hand soap. So I could change the hand soap, then cranberry, and then the price. So let's go here is 98 pesos or maybe 98, and then I could put markup 20%. Let's say 20%, and then that's it. And then in the category, I could add category here. This is personal care category, then add, then there you have it. You can now you can choose the category now, personal care, and then boom, we can add the products right there. Alright, so what I have just shown you is the instant upload and the manual upload. So by doing all of those, no, paulit-ulit sa lahat ng product mo, then you can now start using the system. Mahirap lang naman kasi dito yung pag-upload ng products. And you can do either instant upload or manual upload. Now, what if I want to upload all my products in just one click? You can do that one with our import-export uploading of products. But what I have shown you already is you can now use the system by just doing all of it. And then you can now start selling it using your system, or you can now start using your POS system. So you can now proceed to the next video, or you can now go back to your account and upload items by using instant upload or manual upload. Okay, so for the details of dedicated account, you may see a button below or a link below where you can go to the page for this dedicated account, for the details of dedicated account. And what you can do for now is that you can go back to your account and do what I have just told you, or you may proceed to the next video to know how you can do the import and export of product and items you have in your account.